Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys HTML and CSS from scratch. So if you are new to coding or you're just starting programming, you're in the right place. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now, moving ahead, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to create a new folder and I'm just going to call it front end. Now this folder, I'm going to open this folder with VS Code. As you can see, there's nothing inside, it's just the folder that I created. Everything is still new, no file, nothing. So now let's get started. We're going to create a new file. We're going to call it index.html. And when you're creating a file, make sure you add the extension .html. Is this thing that will indicate that it's an HTML file. Now, as you can see, we have created our index.html, but it's blank. Now, what do you do next? Simple. Just hold shift and now this is the short form, the shortcut to click enter, and boom, there you go. We've gotten our first HTML widget. Our first website is on the way, it's loading. So now let's just launch this and see what we'll get. So you right click and open with live server, and if you can, as you can see, it's a blank web page. There is nothing in it. So now we have the header tags, we have paragraph tags, we have image tags, and so on. So we're going to, let me just show you now header tags. We have h1 to h6. H1 is the biggest, h2, h3, like that it's reducing. Let's just start h1. This is a header tag. Let's check our page and see. Boom, it's showing. Now it's the live server that is auto refreshing the page for us. So that is, as you can see, it's so easy, nothing much, just it's not hard. We are getting our first page ready. Now this is a header tag. Let me do paragraph, just p represent the paragraph tag, and this is a para the paragraph tag is still showing. You can see the difference, header tag and a paragraph tag. Now if you check, this page is not, it's not giving, it's just the write up, the header tag. So let's add some design to this our website that we're building, some beautiful designs. So now that is where CSS comes in. CSS is what? Cascading style sheet. Is used to style HTML tags. So that is work of CSS. And now there are three types of CSS. We have inline CSS, we have internal CSS, and we have external CSS. So I'll just start with the inline CSS. In the inline CSS now, you're going to target this h1 tag, this header tag. You target it, and what you do, just style. You write style, then you see whatever you want. Is it you want to change the display, the height, the width, the border, the color, the position? So let's just go with background color. You can see, let's give it a background color of red. Background color of red. And you can see that's changed. So easy. Nothing difficult. Let me just make this like this so you can see very well. So background color of red. This is inline CSS. This is inline CSS. So I'm just going to comment this. This is inline CSS. Now let's go to the paragraph tag. Now I'm going to be using internal CSS for this, so you can see the difference between inline CSS and internal CSS. So I'll just give this internal CSS. I'll just comment it. Now in internal CSS, what are we going to do? We're going to, if you check the header tag where you have the title, that is this document, you can see that is this document. This document here is what is showing here. I can actually change it, but let's just leave it as document. So now inside the header tag, you can see the header, see where it starts here and it ends here. So inside the header tag, I'm going to create style. I'm going to create the style class for the CSS style, and you can see now what do I do? This paragraph tag, I'm going to target it and give it a class. Now you can name it, you can name it whatever you want, name it the name of whatever class you want, but I advise you name it according to what you are working on so you don't get confused. So I'll just name this paragraph. Name is paragraph. Now it has a class of paragraph. Now I'm going to copy this. Now in this style, now this is where I'm going to change. So let's just going to target this paragraph class. This paragraph class that we name, we're going to target it. So I'm going to paste it here. Now we use dot to target, to represent class. So in the style, I can add dot, then I paste the paragraph, then I open curly braces. Now what I've done is to target this paragraph class so that I can style this to and make it beautiful how I want. So I'm just going to give it background color of lemon. Okay, let's use lime, and you see that's changed. Okay, let's just give it, let me change the give it a color of white, and there you go. Now this is internal CSS. This one I just did now is internal CSS. Now let me go to external CSS and show you guys how to do it. So I'm just going to do external CSS. I just comment this. Now external CSS, what are we going to do? We are going to create a CSS file. Just come over here. Now we have an HTML file. Now we're going to create a CSS file. And what are we going to name it? Style.css. Now is this CSS.css that will tell us, you can see that's giving us a style class, not an HTML. So you can see it. So the .css is the extension indicate that it's a styling class. So now what are we going to do? Now we're going to give, okay, external CSS. Let me use h3 tag. I use header tag 3, and I'm going to just write, okay, now I'm going to give it a class name of, like, class name of like. Now I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go to my CSS. How do I do it? Dot like, and I open my curly braces. Now I told you before, this dot is, it represents the class, and the like is the name of the class. So we are targeting the like class in the h3 tag. So now I'm just going to give it a color of, um blue, blue. Give it a blue color. Did it change? No. Okay, now if you can, as you can see, nothing happened. Now that is because we have not linked the CSS class, the CSS file, to the HTML tag. So in order to do that, we just come here after the document, we create a link, and what are we going to do? Style.css, and you can see the color has changed. So we're just going to change the font size, let's say 40 px. Boom, there you go. So as you can see, building a website is not hard. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. If you've not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification so that you will get all the updates and programming tips from my channel. See you in the next video.